so today we're going to be doing June's Ipsy unbagging, and I have to admit, I've been a good girl this month. I haven't done any sneak peeks on any of my boxes because I wanted this month's unboxings to be like super duper surprise. I mean, like, most of the time I don't even really sneak peek with Ipsy anyway, but Boxycharm is the box that I'm really bad about. But Ipsy, I don't even know what the bag looks like. Let's see what the bag looks like. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I love pink. I love pink. It's such a nice color. This is really, oh, it has a heart. I love when they freaking throw those surprises in like fun zippers. Oh my gosh, I love the heart. Look, it's got a little heart. Okay, so this is a really cute bag. So basically, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription. It's $10 every month. You get 4 to 5 products in there. Most of the time, it's samples, but sometimes you will get a full size. But look how cute my white nails look. Okay, true story. I have not actually repainted my nails. Well, okay. I've had my nails painted white for like the last 3 weeks. I use Insta Dry nail polish. That is the only way my nails will ever look kind of okay. But even my like thumb is screwed up. And I just keep repainting over the chipped nail polish. So eventually I will get to the 100 layers of nail polish. You know, that whole challenge, but I'll do it just because I'm lazy. But with that said, let's actually get into this month's box before I go on another 6-hour rant like my last video just was. Okay, so the first thing that I am pulling out is Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer Base Hydrating Primer. Okay, that's a nice start. I love seeing high-end samples in my Ipsy. Last month I got something from Tarte. This month I have something from Makeup Forever. I usually get 2 to 3 uses out of these little samples, especially if I'm just covering my whole face. However, if I'm only focusing it in certain areas like I would with this, I'd really put this in like kind of around the edges of my forehead and right here on my cheeks if I'm sunburnt. I could get like 5 uses, but I have a big face. Like, I'm not putting myself down, but I have a rather large face. That's just what God blessed me with. So that, like, if you have a thinner face, if you have a smaller face, you could probably get more out of this. So it's really exciting that I have a high-end sample in this month's bag. I hope the rest of the bag is like super kicking. The next thing that I'm pulling out is Colino Cosmetics Skin Blush. Oh, that's such a fun name, and I like their logo a lot. Oh my goodness. Cruelty-free no matter what. Look at the cute little bunny. Okay, it says talc-free and formulated with 100% plant-based ingredients. This soft, skin-perfected blush goes on like powder and wears like seamless silk. Now that's a good reason to blush. Apply skin blush in light strokes with a fluffy brush. For kick-ass cheekbones, layer to build a product, ensuring that it maintains a natural, an ultra-natural finish. Okay. I'm going to say I'm a little nervous because around this time of year, companies like to send out orange blushes that kind of look like bronzer. And that's just not a vibe that I want to deal with. So I hope this is like a pretty peach color. Okay, just putting that out there. Cross my fingers. Okay, so it says skin blush again. Colino Cosmetics. Let's put it up and see what it looks like. Oh my god, it's really hard to open up. Is it a highlighter maybe? Maybe no, it's not reflective whatsoever. Oh my goodness. I mean, I guess it's a pretty peach. Look, it has a mirror. I don't know. Do you guys want to see me put it on? Okay, I'm just going to use this duo fiber brush that I got my Boxycharm yesterday, and we are going to, first we're going to swatch and look. Oh my god, no, girls, pause. Put your phone down. Look, it is a highlighter. What? I'm so glad this isn't, why would you call it blush when it's, what are you doing to me? Look, it's like pink and peach and, it's like, yeah, it's like peach and gold. Pink and peach are like the same color, right? I'm just kidding. Okay, that makes me feel better. Hold on, gotta grab a different brush. Okay, I'm back with a new brush, and we're gonna dip into this pretty highlighter that's not actually blush, even though that they said it's blush, and I don't even know what's going on in here. And we're gonna put it on my cheek. I mean, that's reflective as all get out. Like, you can see me from outer space. Okay. Ooh, can you guys see the difference? Okay, don't worry. If you can't, we'll put it on both sides. This is my better side to highlight anyway. Like, for some reason, light just picks up way better on this side of my face than it does, like, the other. Like, my left side is way more photogenic than my right side. That is really popping. Okay. And just some on the nose, because I love a strong nose highlight. Okay, this is really, like, gold, like, to the gold. Like, it's really gold. Like, it's, like, really yellow gold rather than, like, a light gold, like a light yellow. And I'm not really getting so much of the peach anymore. But I just want to know why they called it a blush and not, like, a highlighter, because, like, this does not show up as blush on my skin whatsoever. However, like, the brush itself is pink, but on my skin, and I'm just speaking on personal experience, it just looks like I'm wearing a highlighter. Like, if I were to put this on my face as blush and then put additional highlighter on top, that would make me look greasy as all get out. And I'm just not, like, you know, like, as a highlighter, it's nice. But as a blush, it's not, like, I wouldn't call it a blush. But I'm gonna just think of it as a highlighter for now, because that's what I'm gonna use it as. And it's really pretty. And I can just layer and layer and layer this on my skin for like 10 years. It is so reflective. You guys can, like, see me from outer space now. Oh my goodness. The next thing that I received in my Ipsy bag is a card, which we actually never read. The next thing that I received in my Ipsy bag is Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. Okay. This looks like it's a whole bunch. Like, look how much that is. But then you turn it around and you realize that it's not actually as much as you would think it would be, because the, like, bottom is missing. Okay, Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. Essential eye cream? Yes. It provides intense moisture for up to 26 hours and boosts electricity. Boosts elasticity. This eye cream has been clinically tested to provide up to 26 hours of moisture and improve skin elasticity. It doesn't say anything about being vegan or cruelty-free. I'm not going to test it out on my hand because it's an eye cream, and eye creams are expensive. So now that I know that this isn't just like when they said moisture balm, for some reason I thought this was going to be something that I could use to take off makeup. But now that I know that it's a skincare item, that's a lot for an eye cream, because I know eye creams are really, really expensive. It has a light lemon smell. I'm not even gonna put this on the back of my hand because eye creams are expensive and your girl doesn't like spending a whole lot of money. So we're gonna save and get every drop out of this that we possibly can. But I mean, okay, now that I know that it's meant for skincare rather than makeup removal, I take back the mean things that I said about this being cheap and, like, hollowed out. I'm really cool with getting like, eye cream, because that's really expensive, and I'm happy that I got it. Okay, this highlighter is really growing on me. I'm like, okay. If you see this in my next upcoming videos, just know that I actually changed my mind about it, and that I got over myself and was, like, using it as a highlighter rather than a blush. So you probably will be seeing this in some upcoming videos, because look how pretty it is. Okay, the next thing that I have in my Ipsy bag is this. Oh, I literally just saw this brand somewhere, but I don't remember. I think it was a pencil. I don't remember. Was it in a Boxycharm or an Ipsy? Adesse Lip Polish Luxury Lip Gloss in shade Skinny Dip. Ooh. It looks so fancy. Luxury gloss combines the payoff of a sheer lipstick with the superior shine of a gloss. Formulated with polymer technology that forms an invisible featherweight film that moves with the lips, providing comfort and extended wear. So that's really cool. Okay, we're gonna rip this package open because we don't have time to be delicate with packages. That's my life is, I've realized all of the unboxings I've oh, okay, I have to build the suspense now. But with all of the unboxings that I've done in my life, I've realized that my life is just too short to sit there and spend time worrying about precious packages. But oh my goodness gracious, drum roll please. You can make one in your head. I'm not actually going to do one, but look, oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. Okay, this is a big tube. I know this is, like, probably a sample size, but this is a really, really big tube. Like, it's, like, fat. It's, like, thick. Adesse New York Luxury Lip Gloss Lip Polish. It's so pretty. Okay, we have to see what it looks like. So I just finished applying the lip gloss, and I have to admit, I really thought it was going to be more glittery on my lips, because like the whatever inside, well, the lip gloss inside the tube is just like in person, it looks glittery, but on my lips, it's not. I really don't like how, like, do you guys see? And I know my lips aren't dry because I make my own lip scrubs. It's part of my vegan and cruelty-free cosmetic line called Little Pearl Cosmetics. So I'm constantly like making sure. I hate having chapped lips. It's like my biggest like pet peeve. And so I know my lips are not dry, and so it's really weird that it's like sticking together like that. It's not like a cute look, but I mean, like, if I don't talk, it's such a pretty lip gloss. And it's okay. I think it's doing this because it does feel like tacky. And like, you know, like tacky lip gloss, it does stick together, but this is like thick and it's very coating feeling, which I really, really like. But I think it's just doing that because it's thick and tacky. This is a really, really pretty color. So I really love how fine the glitter is. I don't know. It makes me feel like sexy and empowered, but I still feel like a little like sneaky and kind of like a little girl again because of how fine the glitter is. Like, I love having glittery lip gloss, and I'm really, really, really happy. I'm very impressed with this. Like, I don't like the tacky problem that we're having. And like, I mean, it's not a big deal to me. Like, I'm gonna use this all the time. This is gonna be gone in like a hot second, guys. I love this. I'm very, very happy with this. And the last thing that I received in this month's Ipsy box is Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner Lotion. I've always wanted to try this, but every time I go to Target and like go to pick some up, it's never there. Gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types, alcohol-free, dermatologist tested. Use AM or PM as needed. After cleansing, apply with a cotton pad, avoiding eye area. As this is a natural formula, botanicals may settle and color may vary. This does not affect the potency of this product. Shake well. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm so excited because I was going to spend like $70 on the Drunken Elephant and buy their, I don't remember the name of the product right now, but I was going to buy that because I really want to start fading the dark marks on my skin. And I've heard that this does a really good job too. So I hope I see some, improvements in my skin using this. So here's everything that I received in this month's Ipsy box. We got a Belief Eye Moisture Balm. We got a Desse New York Luxury Lip Gloss, which we love. Colino Cosmetics blush that's actually a highlighter that I'm wearing right now. And we got Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic. And then we also have a Makeup Forever Step 1 Base Hydrating Primer. So that's 5 things, and the only thing that I'm actually disappointed in is literally, and I made such a freaking big deal about it, is that this isn't a blush, but it's a highlighter, and it's a boppin'. It's a cute highlighter. We're looking cute and glowy and summery. So I'm really happy with this month's Ipsy bag. What did you think of this month's bag, and what did you get in yours? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.